Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a donut. Let's start doodling. Okay, we're going to start up here in the center of the page, just a little bit down from the top, right about here, and we're going to draw a big circle shape all the way around. It's going to be a really long line, so take your time. All the way around. Okay, here we go. And all the way back up to the top. And connect it. You can always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, now let's draw some wavy lines down here along the bottom of the circle, and this is going to be the bottom of the frosting on top of the donut. So starting here, we're going to do a bunch of curved lines. So follow along. Up, and then turn it, and then back down. And we're going to keep that line going. Down, and up. It's kind of like a roller coaster. Down, and up. Down, and up. And up, and then we're going to stop and leave a little space and then just connect it with a little line like that. That's the frosting on top of the donut. Now let's draw the circle in the middle of the donut for the hole. Right in the middle, starting about here, we're going to draw another circle, but it's smaller. Like that. And now in the middle of that smaller circle, let's draw a curved line that shows the other side, the inside line of the donut. Like that. It's starting to look like a donut. Okay, let's draw some eyes on this donut. So starting about here on top of the frosting, we're going to draw a circle about this big. Ready? Nice and slow. And now let's do one on this side over here for the other eye. And then inside of that, we're going to do a C shape to draw the pupil of the donut. Like that. And let's do the same on the other side. Starting here, a backward C on this side. Like that. And now let's draw some highlights in those eyes. So a small circle like that. And one on the other side. And then an even smaller circle below that. Like that. And like that. And now let's color them in black. Both sides. Okay, now between the two eyes, let's draw the smile. The top of the mouth here. So a curved line like that. It's a happy donut. And now let's draw the bottom of the mouth with another curved line. Down, starting here, and back up. And inside there, let's draw the tongue. Now let's color in the mouth. And maybe we do a little tiny line underneath to show how it affects the frosting. Okay, now this donut has a lot of sprinkles on top, so let's draw a bunch of sprinkles all over the top of the frosting here. Starting over here, they're kind of like little rectangles with curved ends. And you can put them wherever you want, just a whole bunch of them. And now let's add a little bit of texture dots around the donut. Just a little bit to show that it's made out of cake or donut. Okay, now I think this donut's real sparkly, so let's draw some stars around it. So starting up here, we'll do some curved lines. And if you've seen my other videos, you know I always like to do a lot of sparkles or hearts around my drawings. You can put these sparkles anywhere around the donut, or don't put them at all. It's up to you. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. So grab your markers, colored pencils or crayons, and let's do it. I'm gonna make it pink frosting, but you can make it any color you want. Be sure to color around the sprinkles. Let's do the donut kind of like an orangey brown color. And don't forget the inside of the donut. And now let's do the sprinkles. Let's do some purple sprinkles, and we'll do some blue sprinkles, and now the sparkles. We'll do those yellow. And remember, every artist signs their doodle. Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. See you soon!